I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable staking on Kraken, follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Begin by logging into your Kraken account using your credentials. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for added security. Step 2. Navigate to the staking section. Once logged in, go to the Earn tab located in the main menu. From there, select staking to access the staking options available on the platform. Step 3. Choose your asset. In the staking section, you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies available for staking. Select the asset you wish to stake, such as Ethereum or Tezos. Step 4. Review staking terms. Before proceeding, review the staking terms and conditions for the chosen asset. This includes details like the minimum staking amount and reward structure. Step 5. Enable staking. Finally, click on the Enable Staking button for your selected asset. Follow any additional prompts to confirm your choice. Remember, some assets may have a waiting period before rewards start accruing. Staking can be a great way to earn passive income on your crypto holdings. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to check Kraken support resources. Happy staking!